Rich Taylor with Transworld Motocross. We're out here at Milestone Ranch Motocross Track. Just got done riding the 09 CRF 250. Besides the obvious cosmetic changes, they did a couple seem like minor changes, but actually made a pretty big difference. The header pipe they've actually extended, give it a little more snap, a little bit more bottom out of the corners. It's really noticeable out here today because the track is so heavy, the dirt so thick. It's like chocolate cake out here today, man. It just sucks the bike in, but with that little extra boost off the bottom, it's really noticeable out of the corners. You can really hop out of the corners and get a run for the jumps and stuff. To go along with the motor changes, the rest of the bike's a little bit the same. The suspension has been revalved, kind of updated. They kind of fixed what complaints people had last year and improved them. It's really noticeable out here. There's a lot of big jumps into kind of soft dirt. Forks stay up. There's no big diving with the forks when you land off the jumps or entering corners. The bike stays real flat and balanced, which makes it real easy to pick a line, pick a rut, and get through the corner. The rear shock, as like last year, works really good on the bike. Acceleration bumps, traction is excellent. Seems like the rear wheel just hugs the ground. There's no big, hang-ups on square edge bumps, or it doesn't flow through the stroke. Last year, this bike was one of my favorite 250s on the track. It was easy to ride, got out of the corners, had good suspension. This year, it's even better. Honda knows what they're doing when it comes to making these 250Fs.